Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is NAS. Let's start it. NAS network attached storage is a file level data storage device connecting to a network providing shared access to file and folder. Here are some key aspects of NAS. First is definition: a dedicated file storage device connecting to a network. TCP and IP providers share access to files and folders. Second is benefits: centralized file storage and sharing, simplified data management and backup, improved collaboration and productivity, scalable storage capacity. Third is types: home NAS, small single drive devices; business NAS, large multi-drive device; enterprise NAS, high and scalable device. Four is the protocols: NFS, network file system; SMB, CIFS, servers management, messages block and common internet file system. Common AFP, Apple File Protocols. 5 is future file sharing and collaboration, data backup and replication, security and access control, user authentication, permission, media streaming and playback. 7 is common use file sharing and collaboration, data backup and archiving, media storage and streaming, virtualization and cloud storage. Some popular NAS manufacturing incidents: first is Synology, second is QNAP, third is Netgear Ready NAS, 4 is Western Digital MyCloud, 5 is Seagate NAS devices. Here are some additional aspects of NAS. First is NAS hardware drivers: HDD, SSD, hybrid processor, CPU, memory, RAM, network interface, Ethernet, Wi-Fi. Second is NAS software operating system, customized NAS specific OS, file system XFS, management interface, web based command line. Third is the NAS future RAID, redundant array of independent disk, supports data encryption and access control, backup and application option, media streaming and transcoding, virtualization support. 4 is NAS scalability, horizontal scaling and adding more devices, vertical scaling and increasing storage capacity, hybrid scaling, combining both. 5 is NAS security, user authentication and authorization, data encryption at rest and it transistor firewall and access control, regular security updates and patches. 6 is NAS applications, file sharing and collaboration, data backup and archiving, media storage and streaming, virtualization and cloud storage, server lines and security. 7 is NAS future trends: artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, ML integration, Internet of Things, IoT devices, support cloud integration and hybrid cloud storage, enhanced security and data protection. Here are some additional key aspects of NAS. First is NAS and cloud integration, cloud backup and census, cloud storage gateways, hybrid cloud storage, cloud-based NAS management. Second is NAS and virtualization, virtual machine, VM storage, virtualization, NAS hyper converged infrastructure, HCI virtualization platform, support VMware Hyper 5. Third is NAS and containers, containerized application, container storage and management, Docker and Kubernetes supported container based NAS deployment. 5 is NAS and artificial intelligence, AI powered storage management, predictive analytics and monitoring, AI driven data, AI driven data protection and security, AI based storage optimization. 5 is NAS and machine learning, ML based storage management, ML driven data analysis and insights, ML powered storage optimization, ML based security and anomaly detection. 6 is NAS and edge computing, edge storage and processing, IoT devices, sports and management, edge based NAS deployment, edge computing use cases, server lines, industrial IoT, IoT. 7 is NAS and DevOps, agile storage management, continuous integration and delivery. CI and CD, DevOps tools and integration. Ansible, Jenkins, NAS automation and orchestration.